Hi there, thank you for checking out this channel Learning with me, Larry. This video is about my application in 25 Hoon, and you might find this helpful, especially if you're looking for a job in the midst of pandemic, because yes, you can actually work from the comfort of your homes and anywhere you want actually, for as long as it's clutter-free, quiet, and you've got a stable internet connection. So yes, let's get into the application process. It's gonna be ideal to use Google Chrome. Once you're there, just type in 25 Hoon application. Just click on this link. It'll bring you to this website. Just input your nationality, state or country, town or city, teaching experience, first name, last name, email. You have to certify that you're over 18 years old and that you give permission for 25 Hoon English and their affiliated companies to use your personal information only for their recruitment purposes. After accomplishing this, just click Apply Now. And then you'll be receiving a confirmation email from 25 Hoon. Check the subject 25 Hoon English Step 1 Application Confirmation. You have to click on this link. It will then bring you to the PDF file that was attached to the email. Input your full name, name for the student to call you. This could be an alias, whatever you want the student to call you. Input your country and city, age, gender, email, phone number, education. You have to state your school name and your degree, your teaching certificate, professional teaching courses. You could mention your specialization, maybe in grammar, daily conversation, transportation, travel English, restaurant, kids, ESL, vocabulary, and discussion. If you have any teaching experience, please do mention it. For your self-introduction, it should be around 100 to 150 words. This would be put on your tutor profile page, so please make it as interesting as possible. Q13 would be the copy of ID card or your driver's license. Q14 would be your profile photo, so make sure that you follow the guidelines over here. Just a friendly tip, give your most confident smile instead of that poker face, because students and parents would want to see that more. For the profile video, please introduce yourself for 20 to 30 seconds long. I will attach here my introduction video sample that I submitted so that you would have an idea of how to do it. Remember that your introduction content should be suitable for junior students and adults as well. In the video, please mention your name, your teaching experience, speak not too fast and not too slow, use proper grammar and pronunciation, of course. Use English only, no other languages, take note, so that your students won't be confused, because there could be Korean or Taiwanese students. You have to be energetic, make the video fun and interesting as much as possible. Be creative, use props, visual aids, headbands, etc. Make sure that your video is on horizontal mode, not portrait. Remember that, because it will look better on your profile. Once done, please save this in a zipped folder containing Q1 to Q12, copy of your ID, that's Q13, Q14 your profile photo, Q15 your introduction video. And then make the folder name as your first name plus your country of origin, for example, Larry, Philippines. And then compress it into a file and then email it back to them. Once received, they will contact you via email and they're very responsive. You might receive the email within 24 hours or not more than a week. Please take note that if you did not receive any email from them within 1 week after your submission, it means that you have not passed their initial review. And that's it. I wish you good luck on your application. And if you have any questions, just leave a comment down there and I'd be happy to answer them for you. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do click that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so that you'd be the first to know if I post new videos about 25 Hoon or anything you want to learn with me. If you want to get in touch, you may follow my social media accounts right here. And I'll see you then. Bye!